Hello everyone, I am Siddhi Yadav from NextBit Dev team. Our problem statement is AI based rockfall prediction and alert system for open pit mines. As we know, mining is very risky field. Mine workers work in the depth to extract the minerals. For their safety, we are building a alert system. How solution works? Our model take input from IoT sensor drones, and by assessing the live location of mines, we use a simple model which extract the features and fuse the input data in a one model. After we use pre-trained classifier which predicts the output and show in visualization form, and send the alert message on user SMS for alert. We are using Python, Light GBM, Pandas, React and Petroch for building this project. The solution is effective, low cost, has modular design for scalable development, uses spatial AI model for accurate rockfall prediction which make our project feasible. We basically target the mine workers, mine owner, institute and government, which give them benefits to protect their mines, to identify slope stability, save lives by early warning and for doing sustainable mining. Thank you.